Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a shadow to any object in Canva. This is a great way to add depth and make our designs look more polished and professional. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, to add a shadow to an object, we will insert some shapes. Let's use a circle and a square as examples. To add a shadow to these shapes, all we need to do is click on the shape, then click on Effects. From there, we will see the drop shadow option. We can adjust the direction of the shadow, for example, placing it toward the lower left. To make the shadow larger, we simply change the offset. We can also adjust the blur to make it sharper or softer. And for transparency, we can control how visible the shadow appears. We can do the same with the square. Just click on it, go to Effects, and apply the drop shadow again. Then adjust the offset, blur, and transparency to get the look we want. And there we go. Our shapes now have a shadow, and that is how we add a shadow to any object in Canva. With this simple effect, we can make our designs look more dynamic and help elements stand out.